We were looking for a quantitative rating solution that was easy to use, but still gave us input to change and modify the models as we see fit. We didn't want a black box that we couldn't understand what was actually being modelled. We wanted to have full input, and we can do that with Akur8. So we can edit the models, we can see and understand the models, and that was important for us. We've developed our models now. We've implemented them for just under a year now, and it's giving us fast solutions into the market, and we're very happy with the process. It's very easy to use, and the team, it empowers them to actually see what they're doing and analyze the effects of the model on the pricing. It's a very easy to use system. We're investigating now the deploy unit, and what we're found in the rating solutions is that it's very easy to do different iterations. Once you've built the model, to go back and refine it and to do updates on a monthly basis. The one thing that stands out with Akur8 is that their models are very clear. There's no ambiguity about the models and how the models are being applied. It's very transparent in that sense, and that helps our governance. In Alpha, we use Akur8 across the board, so from a senior level down to our more junior staff. It's built in such a way that the senior actuaries can build the models, and then it's easy for the more junior members of the team to maintain those models, to update with fresh data, and still understand what's going on. And one of the nice things about Akur8 is the visualizations that they do to interpret the models and the results. Very quick, very friendly. I mean, we've interacted with quite a few members of the Akur8 team. The online chat is a great feature. Whenever we get stuck, you can put a message in the chat box and we get answers straight away. We have a dedicated team helping us. We have regular meetings, and they're very helpful in guiding us through the process and helping us when we get stuck. I think what's been refreshing about Akur8 is the ease at which we've got into the whole system, with the way it's been very logically built in terms of the modules, and the guidance we've worked mostly with Jan, and he's been giving us a lot of help. So he guides us through the process, he helps us build the models, and it's actually been a very easy process to onboard and to learn the processes and the systems. We very quickly went from using Reid to deciding that this was a system we needed to go all the way through to deploy and fully implement the system.